Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Eternal Ecstasy, where we help you get relaxed and revive with our creative videos. If you are having trouble deciding on a color for your dress, then this video is definitely for you. So let's get started. According to Vedic culture, each planet has a unique impact on human mind, body and emotions. To have the most favorable effect of each planet, it is best to wear the colors associated with the planet on the particular day. Sunday is ruled by the planet Sun. The Sun is seen to be the reflection of the soul. In Vedic culture, paying tribute to the Sun is regarded as a blessing for health and a source of positive energy. It is considered auspicious to worship Lord Surya and offer Arg while chanting the Gayatri Mantra on this day. Wear red to absorb more of the sun's energy. Monday is ruled by Moon and is best for honoring feminine energy. Monday is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is fond of white color. So, on Monday, worshipping Lord Shiva by offering white flowers and bay leaves to Shivling and reciting the mantra Om Namah Shivaya is considered auspicious. Lord Shiva bestows us with eternal peace, long life and good health. Tuesday is ruled by the planet Mars, the flaming planet, which gives us our zest and energy. This day is marked by strong levels of rage, so it is an ideal time to engage in sports and undertaking competitions. This day is dedicated to Lord Hanuman, who is thought to be an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Devotees believe Lord Hanuman eliminates barrier and worries from people's life. It is good to chant Hanuman Chalisa and offer Arg to Lord Surya on this day. Like Sundays, wear blazing red on Tuesdays as well. Wednesdays are ruled by the planet Mercury. This planet rules communication, education and trades. This day is dedicated to mental health and self-care. Lord Ganesha, the god of intellect, learning and arts, is honored on Wednesday. Offering dub, that is green grass, yellow and white flowers to Lord Ganesha is a good way to please him. On this day, you can recite the mantra Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Don't forget to wear something green, whether it is a piece of jewelry with an emerald or your favorite clothing. Thursday is ruled by the planet Jupiter, the planet of luck and abundance, kindness and goodness. On Thursdays, doing good deeds and donating your time are considered lucky. Lord Vishnu is honored on this day. It is believed that worshipping Lord Vishnu can provide marital bliss and resolve family issues. Wear something yellow and chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya to attract more wealth and luck into your life. Friday is ruled by the planet Venus, the planet of creativity and arts. So embrace your inner rock star and be innovative. Friday is dedicated to Goddess Durga, who holds a great importance in Hindu mythology. Worshipping Goddess Durga can bring prosperity, positivity, and contentment in your life. Fridays are ideal for romance. Wearing white attracts the positive influence of governing planet. Saturdays are ruled by the planet Saturn, and despite being reputed for causing losses and struggle, this planet has the potential to be our greatest teacher. It is believed that the mountains reflect the good elements of Saturn energy, thereby making Saturdays suitable for a retreat in nature and meditation practices. Lord Shani is honored on this day and is considered to be the one who rewards or punishes people according to their karma. Worshipping Lord Shani and wearing black on this day attracts good fortune. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. So if you find this video to be useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive more updates from our channel. Stay tuned with us. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and do take very good care of yourself.